आज हम पढ़ेंगे रिप्रोडक्शन, प्रेगनेंसी एंड डेवलपमेंट। द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में क्या होता है? ओविडक्ट, ओवेरी, लेबियम मेजोरा, लेबियम माइनोरा, यूटरस, सर्विक्स, क्लाइटोरिस, यूरेथ्रल ओपनिंग, वेजाइनल ओपनिंग, एनस होता है। ऑब्जेक्टिव, इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? स्टेट the role of the female reproductive system, describe the function of each of the organ of the female reproductive system, the changes in the body during the menstrual cycle, summarize क्या है? 4 problems that can occur करता है with female reproductive system, list 5 things a female can do to keep her reproductive system healthy. When does puberty begin and what happens to the body? Between ages 10 to 12 develop करता armpit and pubic hair, hip widen, breast grow and menstrual cycle begins करता है. Ovary begin producing करता है estrogen and progesterone. What is the function of the female reproductive system? Female reproductive system का function क्या है? To make egg and to provide करता है place, to support and nourish करता है developing human. Key vocabulary words. Definition. Sperm. A sperm, the sex cell that is produced by the testes and that is needed to fertilize an egg. The egg. Egg क्या? Egg means ovum. Egg, the sex cell that is produced by the ovaries and that can be fertilized करता by sperm. Fertilization, the processes which is a sperm and an egg and their genetic and material joined to create a new human life. How the female reproductive system work? Ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, bladder and vagina and rectum. The female reproductive system is made up of internal and external organs. Path of the egg. What do the ovaries do and where are they found? Produce egg and the hormones estrogen and progesterone. Hormone shaped stores and releases a mature egg once per month. Ovulation found deep in the pelvic area. What are the egg or ovum? The sex cells that mature in the ovaries and can be fertilized by the sperm. Females are born with hundreds of thousands of immature eggs. A mature egg can only be fertilized for 24 hours. Ovulation, the release of an egg from the ovary once per month. What are the female hormones? Female hormones क्या है? Estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen क्या है? Causes the reproductive organs to mature into their adult shape. Causes the growth of pubic and underarm hair. Helps to strengthen the bones. Estrogen and progesterone regulates the monthly release of an egg. Prepare the body for pregnancy. What do the fallopian tubes and femori do? Transport the egg from the ovary to the uterus, where fertilization takes place. It's the size of a strand of sphagnum. Femori. Flower-like ends of the fallopian tubes helps move the egg from the ovary into the fallopian tube. What does the uterus do? Provides a place to support a developing human. It's found on the top of the vagina, between the bladder and the rectum. A fertilized egg will be implant itself in the uterine lining and in develop 9 months. Normal size equal to woman's first fist. When pregnant, जब women pregnant होता है, it expands to the size of a medium watermelon. What is the cervix? Cervix क्या है? Barriers separating the vagina from uterus, normally very hard and dilates to 10 to centimeters and soften just before birth. ये डायग्राम में जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है इसके बारे में आगे डिटेल्स पढ़ेंगे. What is the vagina and what does it do? Runs from the lower end of the uterus to the outside of the body. Receive sperm during reproduction. Always menstrual flow to exit the body is the part of the birth canal through which the baby is delivered. What are the exterior part of the female reproductive system? Two parts, labia majora and labia minora. Labia majora क्या है? The outer lips of the vagina provide cushion similar to that of the scrotum on the male. Labia minora inner lips swell and deepen in color during sexual stimulation. What are the three opening